Hi my friend, Giuseppe Manzoli, professional private chef. Today we do cheesecake, orange cheesecake flavored with vanilla and cinnamon and a touch of lemon. For the base, you can use digestive. I use sponge. I use the Victoria sponge and I blitz it with butter. So this is the base that I'm using. 240 grams of biscuit or dehydrated sponge, Victoria sponge, and 110 grams of butter. And then for the cream I use 500 grams of soft cheese. Any good quality of soft cheese is fine. And then you have 65 grams of sugar here, 65 grams of sugar, and then you have 1 egg. I double the recipe, but I tell you this recipe here. So you have 1 egg yolk, and I'm going to put a touch of whiskey. I'm going to use 100 grams of cream, single cream or double cream, anything, doesn't matter. I'm going to put, to give a nice color, a touch of turmeric, and yeah, and dehydrated orange. So all these beautiful flavor, everything, and cinnamon. Okay, everything natural. So my cheesecake is very tasty, natural, and I'm going to add also a touch of corn flour. Okay, so let's start with the Victoria sponge, and I reduce it like when you do the digestive. Okay, perfect. And in here you can add a touch of orange, and you can add a touch of cinnamon, and you flavor the base of your cheesecake. Okay, here I've got already a few of it done, because it's brown, because when you have done it, you put in your trays and you bake it. Okay, and all the ingredients get together. So you bake the base before you put the filling, and when the base is cooled down, so you fill up it with your filling and you bake again. Let's go. We have our grated sponge or digestive biscuit, whatever you want to use, and we are going to put together the sponge with the butter. Okay, good. So sponge and butter together. I melted the butter just to get it soft. Okay, like this. Oh, good. So we put together here through in our biscuit like this. So this wet towel is very comfort, yeah, very comfortable. And then let's see what's happening. So remember to put some flavor. Remember to put some flavor in your let's see, some cinnamon in your biscuit. Some cinnamon, a touch of 1 tablespoon of orange, and why not? You can put also a touch of whiskey, in your biscuit, and a touch of vanilla. Why not? Touch of vanilla, and let's see what's happened. Get here to get. Come here. Let's go. Okay, now we have this mix that is wet, and if you press it, it stays like this. You see? So this is good. This is what we are looking for. So now I'm using these trays, and I show you one trick. Okay, so oil, touch of oil, and with the brush, so you spread your oil well to sprinkle a touch of flour easily. So now we are going to spread this mix in the trays, okay? And what we are looking for a very thin layer of paste, of base, like this. Look, it's amazing, it's beautiful. And let's take this camera out of here. Okay, let's see how we do this job. Let's focus here, my friend. Okay. So you want yeah, look at, you want, you know, it's stick in my hand. I show you what to do. You use some flour. Good, and now it doesn't stick anymore. And you do this job, okay? You press with your hand like this, and with this finger you press this dough here like this. Okay, so let's see how it comes, this job. Good. It is good. It is good, my friend. It's coming good. It's coming good. We are going to get a beautiful cheesecake here. Good. Look at how amazing this dough here is. And yeah, continue to get some flour, because you see, every now and then you get some pieces that come with your hand. But if you get the flour like this, look how amazing is this paste. Look, you see, amazing. So now this go in the oven for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, okay? And then when it's out of the oven, you cool down, and when it's cooled down, when it's cold, you can fill up with the base. Okay, now we need to do the mix, and the eggs are the last things that we put together. So we need the cream, we need the sugar. Okay, cream, we need a touch of whiskey, and then we put a touch of turmeric just to get a nice, beautiful yellow color. And I guarantee that you don't feel the taste of the turmeric. So touch of orange, cinnamon, vanilla, like this, guys, like this. And so we have everything. And what you need to do, and you need to put together the cream with a couple of spoon of corn flour, like this. Okay, corn flour in cold liquid, otherwise you get the lump. So you have the corn flour mixed in the liquid. Now you put some of the cheese in the cream, the sugar, so, and last thing will be the eggs. Okay, the eggs at the end, very end. Cheesecake part 4. Hi my friend, this is the last shot of the baked cheesecake, and now is morning, it's a beautiful day with this beautiful sun. I'm back in my garden and the camera, it works perfect. I've got my beautiful coffee here. Good morning. Let me see. This is true love in Scotland. Okay, so look at what I got here. The cheesecake that we baked last night is set. You see, the yogurt is set, the yogurt on top, and it's amazing. Let's see how this cheesecake it is. So let's try a little bit, because this will be for my neighbor Vince, for my friend neighbor Vince, but I want to try with you. Oh my god, oh my god, look how beautiful, look how beautiful, and you see, beautiful and soft. It's amazing. Look how beautiful is this cheesecake. You see, this is a thin, is a thin layer on the bottom, a thin layer on top with the yogurt and blueberry. This will be for sure amazing. Let's see. So nice and soft. It's beautiful. Okay, my friend, have a lovely day. Your private chef Giuseppe Manzoli. And if you don't want to do this, I do this for you. Ciao Giuseppe.